Hi everyone, this is Shazad and you are watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix apps is not downloading from App Store. So guys, there is many method to solve this issue. First is go to the settings here. Here you can see airplane mode. Just simply turn it on and after 10 to 15 seconds, turn it off back. If you have connected Wi-Fi, just simply go to Wi-Fi. Here you can see turn it off and after 10 to 15 seconds turn it on to fix your problem and go back and try to download apps. If this method is not working, then we move to another go to settings, general. Here you can see software update, tap on it. If you have any pending update, just simply update now and then try to download apps from App Store. If this is not working, then we move to another, go to settings, go to general, scroll to the down and here you can see VPN and device management. Tap on it and if you're connected with VPN, just disconnect it and try to download apps. So if this is not working, then we move to another is go to settings, go to general. Here you can see time and date. Tap on it and now you can see here you can set up your time and date and now try to download apps. So go back, go to settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Here you can see reset and here you can see reset all settings. Tap on reset all settings to reset all settings only without losing any data and fix your problem. If all this solution is not working, then we move to another is go to settings, go to general. Here you can see shutdown. Tap on it, slide to power off. After sliding it, your device will be turned off. After 10 to 15 seconds, turn it on back and try to download your apps from App Store. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.